Hi guys, so my name's Chloe. Hi again. I wanted to show you around my farm I've got. So these are the roofs I got. I got this for Christmas. The roofs are here. Oh, everything's closed. I better move this stuff away. Stuff is a little bit broken actually. Like this door here. But I'll fix that after the video. Shopkins stuff. I don't know what these are doing here. I'm going to show you all the animals I got. I didn't get some with the farm. I didn't get this with the farm. It's a horse. I got it from down the town in Bishop. Sorry guys, I just dropped it. Down the town. It's a pretty good horse. I like it. It looks like one of those show horses. If it had the saddles on with it and stuff like that, it would have been better. But yeah. So when I'm finished with them, I'll put them over here. I'll actually put them here so you can see them a little bit better. So that's that horse there done. I have got some animals in here. There's some food in here. Should put the food in there. So these are not collectibles because some like the horse over there is collectible, but this is not collectible. It's off the Lion King, the pig. If you guys know that, the Lion King. So that's that. I'll put that there. Pretty good animal. So there's a pig in here. I got this with the farm. This is not a collectible, but it's a pretty nice pig. Just saying. So I'll put that there. I'll show you stuff in the barn too. I've got this little food bowl for the animals. So I'll just put that back in there. And we've got this nice, we've got some windows up in here. I'll close that up. The doors take ages to close. There. So I've got this open now. These are so hard to open. Don't know why. These are like to put the things in, just like little windows. You could like, oh god, there. So I got two other horses. I'll show you this one. This one's a collectible. I am sorry, the camera things getting in the camera. So this is, I call her Snow because she's white. I love her little ponytail in her hair. Little ponytail in her hair. She's a pretty nice horse. I like her. But she might not be my favourite. So we've done all them. Great. This is a collectible. It is never mind. So that's a really nice animal. I like it. Parrot, I mean, sorry, a parrot. I get mixed up with my words. I forget a lot. Whoa, sorry guys, drop the camera. I fail a lot. Yes, I fail. So that's flying. It's long over here. It's on like this little like stick maybe. So yeah, and got another collectible. Another horse collectible. It's a male. He's a nice horse. I like his little fringe. It's so adorable. I like his patterns too on his and his hair and his little tail. Ah, that's so cute, isn't it? Tail. So I'm gonna put this here. There. So I'll put that there. Any animals in here? Oh, we got him. This is the same one. I got this off Santa or somebody. Don't know why it's the same one, but it's the same one as that one there. Same one as that one. So I'll put that there. I know it is kind of a mess. We got some. I got this with the farm. I don't know where the man's gone. I used to be here. I got this with the farm too. It's a little girl. Here they are. These are the people are collectibles. Well, this one is, but the farmer is not a collectible. He's the farmer. So what I'm gonna do, I'll put all the stuff. See, look, it's broke off that bit. But I should fix it. I'll put all the stuff here. He won't stand up. He should stand up. There. Actually, we'll put him on here so he stands up a little bit better. So I got this box, and you can put you could put the potatoes in, like get them out from the ground like this, and then put them in there. I got this fork to get all the poop out of the areas, like get all that poop out. So that's there, and all that stuff came with it. I'm sure these are the potatoes what go in it, so we could just put that right in there. It's the farmer. We'll put that there. He actually can hold it somehow, so let me just put, so he can actually put this in his hand. Oh, no, I dropped it. It does take, it's very hard, but I guess that's how he holds it. Put a little bit, never mind. So, this is my dad's phone I'm using, because my phone does not work on YouTube, so I have to use my dad's. So we'll keep that there, that's fine there. We've got the people, we'll put the people there. She got a little girl who could feed the horses with the carrot. So we can put her here. And we got the little boy who could play with the dogs. Some dogs in there, so he could play with the dogs. Next up. So this is the door that opens and shuts this in. Got a ladder, just like to get up here, like to get up there. Or you could just put it like that. Or just something to use. We got a little Arctic fox. She's my favourite actually. I knew I would get to my favourite one. But she's my favourite. She is so beautiful. I've got a lot of animals just saying, my back's killing me. I don't know why, like, probably sitting up all the time. Got a little baby deer, she's adorable. A little baby Bambi. So she got, I like her spots, and look at her tail, it's so beautiful. Look at it, it sticks up. That's so cute. I'll put that there. What else? Oh yeah, and here's the mama. The mama, I think. I don't know, it could be just another little baby, but like a different kind of species, or it could be the mama, or it could be an older deer. Do not know. Got some plants in here. Look, got some plants in here growing. Oh god, I think I might have broke it. There, put it back on. It's fine. It's perfectly fine. So, got a wheelbarrow to put the food in. So we could just take the food out, the little potatoes, and he can actually hold it. So, but I don't want you to show that because it might go wrong. And we got to milk the cow because there's cows at the behind. I'll do them too. So a little bucket to milk the cow. We got some milk up in here, so we can put the milk in. We got doors will open and close. Got one more thing in here. I don't want to take that out because it took ages to get on, but we got a little bowl there. And we got some hay and some... put down in the comments what these are. This is, I don't know. So, I'll put that with the food. What else? We have got this little tiger. It's an albino tiger. She's pretty nice. I like her colouring and her little stripes there. They're so cute. So I'll put her with the animals. Let's start from this end. Got a lot of animals. Look at that. So I'm just gonna shut the gate on that and get. That one is a collectible. Sorry, forgetting. This is not a collectible. It's just a dog I got from Toys R Us. No, I can't really remember anyway. But he's so cute. So yeah, that's the dog. Put her there. We got a little zebra. She is a collectible. She's so cute. Look at her. I'll put her like here maybe so you can see her a little bit better. Yeah, but that's the the zebra. She's cute. She's so cute. So I'll put her here with the Arctic box. I've got little animals too. This is not collectible. It's the same one as this one here, but it's a little bit different. Different breed. I'll put her with the collectible. It's this tiger again. It's a male, I think. Male, yeah. He's a normal regular tiger, orange tiger with black stripes and a little bit of white on his belly. But yeah, right. So, oops, sorry about that there. So, what else? I gotta show you some more. Don't know why there's a polar bear down in the farm, or any of the meat eaters in the farm. But this is a polar bear. It's supposed to be in the Arctic, but look, it's in a farm. Does not make sense sometimes, but yeah. He just stands up like that. He's looking about. But anyway, I'll put him there. Okay, move you away from the food because I got a lot of animals. This is a collectible dog. It's a great. It's a great. It's what do you call it? I can't remember what you call the breed of the dog. So put down in the comments what the breed of the dog is. So we've done that one. Let's put that there. I got little giraffe. It's a little baby, I think. Don't know. I have to go fast because this video is very long. This is not a collectible. It's just a dog. I don't know what kind of dog it is like. Another dog, but this is not a collectible. He's like standing up. He's like pretty weird because he's got like yellow and stuff like that. It's that dog. I've got a little washing up area so you can wash them. This is not a collectible. So there you go, there's that one. I have to go fast because we've got little ones there and there. We've got a dog. This is a collectible. Is that everything, guys? I think it is. Oh no, the cows. The cow is the biggest and I don't know how to get her out. Oh, I got her out. And she's got a calf, first of all. Little baby calf. A little baby calf. So look at how many animals I've got. Probably in the world's got more than me. And I got a little cow. She's so cute. I mean, big cow. Sorry. So this will be the end of the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Actually, before I go, I'll show you how to put the roof on. Actually, no, it's just a long time. So this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe, and bye.